Yes, family, the time is now. Time is now. Get right in on it. Here we, family, let me tell you something. First and foremost is this whole aroma of the sweet and sour sauce. Family, are you in? You're in? Look at this. Look at this, y'all. We are ready. What more could you ask for in meatballs? Okay, we are ready. So right here, we're gonna plate up some for you all. Gonna try our best because you know it's messy. This is like about an hour and almost 30 minutes. So we're taking up some of this nice, gummy, yummy, y'all, meatballs for you. And we're gonna spoon y'all over this goodness. This, family, let me tell you, man, y'all need to try this. Y'all need to try this for yourselves right here. And we got a little cleaning up to do. And you don't know it go, family. But that at least, you know, we have a little cleaning up to do, y'all. We got a little cleaning up to do, man. And as I always say to you, presentation is key. From my kitchen to yours, it's meatballs from scratch right inside your kitchen. And now, family, now I want to taste for y'all. I want to go right in and I want to get one. I want to cut it. Oops. Don't want my sauce catching my fork. I want you to get right in on this. I'm gonna cut. Look at this. Look at the knife going down into this, family. Oh my word. Right in. And I want to taste for your family. But give them a shot at that. Because it's really super duper hot. You know? It's so nice. Right in. Be careful, y'all. Family, just try it. Family, y'all need to try this. And family, my little YouTube family, I know I'm not stupid. Looking at this, you know, it's just as I'm saying to you. It speaks for itself. From my kitchen again to yours, it meatballs from scratch inside your kitchen. If you have enjoyed these videos on the meatball journey, please give it a thumbs up. Share it also with your friends, your family, your co-workers. Leave your comments below. Remember to subscribe to the channel. Remember to turn on your notification as soon as you have subscribed. That as soon as anything else comes along, you're on point, y'all. And remember, I love you. Love you. Love you. Love you all. You have been so supportive. From my kitchen to yours again. Enjoy. Debbie from Donga Yard. You know me now, leh? Boop.